Hey everybody. So we're making a quick trip to Tractor Supply today. Did a little research and found out that this might be a good place to get some things for my feline. So I'm gonna kind of show you some things on the shelves that caught my interest, and we'll see what you think. Ready? So send me a message and let me know what you buy at Tractor Supply. We got birds in here. Okay, so we are looking at kind of like your over-the-counter medication stuff for animals. What I am specifically interested in today is the Silver Honey, which is rapid ear care. It's vet strength, but it has super good ingredients. So, it's for dogs and cats. Rapidly helps soothe irritation and inflammation, antibiotic free, no sting, non-toxic. Helps prevent dirt and wax buildup that could cause infection. So my little feline is scratching her ears a lot and then shaking her head. And she's not in an environment where she could really have ear mites. So we're gonna start with this, which is minimally invasive, instead of something more like an Adams product. And yeah, I'll do a follow-up and let you know what happens. So this seemed to be the last one on the shelf. So I don't know, it seems like it might be popular. And we'll come and check out some of the other stuff later as well. But yeah, I'll do a follow-up and let you know what I think. I don't know, should I get some of these for the grandkids? Because they're doing a garden at their house. This would be cool. I think I might do this for my grandson's birthday. So yeah, we got the shovel and the hoe and the Silver Honey.